Hey there, David Perdue here from MyNAMS.com and the Novice to Advanced Marketing System. And we've got a new NAMS Accelerator coming up that I just have to tell you about because it's so exciting, where we're going to train people how to create products on the fly. Here's the deal. Anybody can create a product. We can teach you all day long how to create a product. Creating products is not difficult. We can create a product in about 15 minutes if you want to. But do you want to create products that sell? Do you want to create products that bring you profit? Do you want to create products that other people are dying to buy? And how do you know that people are dying to buy these products? How do you know they want them so bad? We're going to teach you all of that. Before we get into the product building, you always want to make sure the profit happens before you create the product. So how much is it going to cost you to create this product? How much are you going to sell it for? Those are the questions that you're going to ask all the time. And who's going to be your buyer? Who's going to buy this product from you? And will they be waiting there when you get ready to launch the product? We're going to give you the opportunity to build products that people want. That's the name of this NAMS Accelerator. The NAMS Accelerator, by the way, is a series of workshops that we do on a specific topic to really drive home how to get things done fast. And we have been incredibly successful with these, and we love doing them because it's serious training all the way. We're going to cover everything in this, from soup to nuts, and you'll be a product master when you're done, but you'll be a profitable product master when you're done, able to predict which products you need to sell and which ones you need to let go, because either people want them or they don't, and you're going to know that before you ever put pen to paper, video to sales page, whatever you're going to do to create your product. You're going to know that before you get started. So don't miss this. Don't miss this. And right now, if you look below, you're going to see a link that's going to give you the absolute best price that you'll ever get on the product creation, give people what they want, NAMS Accelerator Workshop. Okay? We'll see you there. I look forward to it. Thank you. Bye-bye.